Well, definitely not the weather for going out on the bike today, so time to head over to the workshop and let's do a little bit of work on nitrous oxide.
Good morning, good evening, whatever it is, wherever you are on YouTube. So obviously, I don't know if you can actually see out the window, but there's been some snowfall. It's currently 2 degrees Celsius, so definitely not biking weather, and haven't had a chance to make a video in a little while. So obviously what we can do in this weather is go and continue working with the race bike. We're about ready for our new race season, which is great because the first race isn't until April. But obviously one of the things that we've changed for this year is nitrous oxide. So what I thought I'd do is a different style of video today. I'm always thinking of ways I can try and change up rather than be in the same format all the time. So this is going to be a little bit of a different way of doing it, and something I can do from inside the house, which is nice as well. But this is going to be just a little introduction into what nitrous oxide is, how it works, and what it can do for us on the bike. It was actually the Nazis who first realised the potential for nitrous oxide in high-performance applications. The Messerschmitt Bf 109 was a great fighter, but lacked the outright power and speed of the Spitfire. It was then they decided to inject nitrous oxide directly into the supercharger, which increased the power and levelled off the playing field. This has since moved over, of course, into world of motorsport. There are two main types of nitrous system, wet systems and dry systems. A wet system injects nitrous oxide and fuel and can support very large power outputs, whereas a dry system just injects nitrous oxide and is used more typically on either diesel engines or fuel-injected engines, which aren't looking for quite as big a power boost. And they use the vehicle's own fuel injection system to add the extra fuel required to prevent a lean condition when the nitrous oxide goes in. Our system's a wet system because the carburetors can't compensate for the extra oxygen introduced. So that comprises of a bottle that goes off from there to a solenoid. They're known as pulsoids because when controlled by a computer they pulse to vary the amount of nitrous oxide injected. From the pulsoid they go off to a distribution block, and the distribution block splits off to the 4 combined injectors which inject fuel and nitrous oxide. This whole system is mirrored with an extra fuel pump and a fuel solenoid as well. That then gives us the power we're looking for. So there you go, that's just a little bit more info on how a nitrous oxide system works. If you like these videos, hit the like and subscribe button. Every single subscriber is greatly appreciated, and we'll see you soon.